Good morning, Sohegan. Welcome to another Screencastify video where we will be multiplying polynomials using the area model. Notice that I have this as an A. I'll have a B version where we talk about dividing, which is the new learning, but we thought it important, or at least I thought it was important, that we review how to multiply, because if you can't multiply, it's going to be really difficult to divide. So remember, we're doing an area model, so we're going to set up our little rectangle and fill in our x minus 2, and then across the top we'll have our x squared minus 3x plus 7. And now within each of those boxes we're going to multiply, so x times x squared is x cubed, x times negative 3x is negative 3x squared, x times 7 is positive 7x. We'll go down to the bottom row, negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 and negative 3x is positive 6x. And negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. Now, the question is, how do I determine what my answer is? So notice along this diagonal, those are x squareds. Notice along this diagonal, these are x's. So at this point, we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to start with this upper corner. We have x cubed, and then we have negative 2x squared minus 3x squared, so negative 5x squared. We have the yellow 6x plus 7x is 13x. And then we have that constant at the back, negative 14. So when we multiply x squared minus 3x plus 7 times x minus 2, we get a cubic because x times x squared. And when you notice down at the bottom, we get the same thing. So let's look at what happens when we're missing pieces. So here, I've got my x plus 6. But I want you to notice we're missing an x term. So I have 3x squared. I don't have any x. And then I have my 5. You need to fill in that space. It's important you include that space because, going back to the example before, your diagonals won't work if you don't fill in. So let's do our multiplication. X times 3x squared is 3x cubed. X times 0x is 0x. X times 5 in the second row. 6 times 3x squared. Actually, it's 0x squared. 6 times 0x is 0x. And then 6 times 5 is 30. We'll go back and look at our diagonals again. So if we go along this diagonal, those that are the same. When we go along this diagonal, those are the same type of terms. Now we can combine everything. We start in that upper row. We have 3x cubed. 18x squared plus 0x squared is 18x squared. 0x and 5x. And then that constant of plus 30. So in our next video, we're actually going to go backwards. And we're going to give you the answer. And we're going to try to come up with what's up here. So we're going to use the division. We're going to use our area model backwards to learn about division. We continue to hope that you are all healthy and well. Make sure you do something for yourself every day. Whether you play Wii Fit, you have your own private dance party, you throw a Zoom dance party with all your friends, you go out for a walk or a run, but make sure you're taking care of yourself so he can have another great day. We love and we miss you.